Hi everyone, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how I make this corgi holding a croissant tutorial. All my clay charms are made from a homemade air dry clay known as cold porcelain clay. I first begin by flattening the clay and making a triangle shape. I then roll it up to form the shape of a croissant. I use a sharp ended tool to create the texture of the croissant. You can keep doing this till you're satisfied with the texture on your croissant. Make sure you go all around creating the texture with your clay shaping tool to ensure that your croissant has texture. I finally use my pre-shaped chalk pastel to add color to the croissant. You can add various colors, mustard, orange, browns, to get the exact color of a croissant. Or you don't need an exact color, just something that you are okay with. I then roll out a ball of clay to make the body of the corgi. I then make a hole or a small indent in the clay to add the white part of the corgi's body and then roll it out to shape it into the dog's body. I finally stick it onto the croissant. I roll out a strip of white clay for the corgi's legs and hands or paws. I then use a dotting tool to make indents in the body to fix the paws of the corgi. I attach all the clay parts using a white glue or PVA glue because this is, as I said before, an air dry homemade clay and not polymer clay. I'm now beginning to shape the head. I mix a little of white clay and brownish orange clay to make the head. I then stick on the ears and the tail of the corgi. I make the ears by shaping a diamond shape with the clay and then cutting it in half and then making indents and adding some white clay. I then add a strip of white clay over the face of the corgi. I add a blob of white clay for the mouth and the nose, and then I apply black clay over that for the nose. I then roll out a thin strip of black clay for the eyes. I then shape it into half triangles and stick it onto the face. I also do the same for his mouth. You can use a sharp edged tool like a X-Acto knife to help you in sticking the mouth and the eyes. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed the video.